What's up guys, Shane here with Fukadeck 3D Printing. Today we're going to talk about the Epic Raspberry Pi 3 case, and we're going to give a few away. Welcome back guys. As I said, we're going to talk about the Epic Pi case. I guess Epic Pi is one word for the Epic Raspberry Pi 3 case. Jeff Peterson made these and he hit me up and he wanted to give some away. When I did my 4K giveaway, I wanted to do it, but with Gleam it just wasn't working out right. I couldn't do enough, enough people because I don't pay for it, because it's like $40 a month to pay for Gleam. Like, you know what? I'm gonna give it to patrons. So I put a little contest out there for the patrons, and I have 7 of them. 7 patrons signed up. Everyone's a winner, yay! But anyways, we're going to take a look at these, and I'm going to actually do a little plug here for Jeff because I really like these. I'm going to show you what they are and how you can get one, and then what you can do to get parts for it, because you can't actually buy the case, you can print accessories. So let's open one up and see what it's like. Now Jeff runs these out of his Etsy shop, and he does a fantastic job of packaging these. Between the wrap, some bubble wrap, a custom fitted box, he stamps the box. For a little Etsy shop, I am quite impressed with his presentation of his product. So here it is. This is the Epic Pi case. So there's a lot to this case, but yeah, there's not much at all. As you see, it's just the shell. There's nothing there to it. He keeps the actual case as his own proprietary design, but he's published, 30 or 40 accessories that you can print for this in order to make it a complete kit. So you get the case and you get the fan when you buy the product. And then you need to go on Thingiverse and actually 3D print your accessories for it. When I say accessories, I mean all the face plates. So I printed out a few here in yellow, because black and yellow Steelers, come on now, you have to. Just to kind of give you guys a look at how it would look fully assembled with some features. Now these are not all the features that the unit has. There are a lot of different front plates, back plates, side plates, different fan grills. I have 2 different fan grills here, you can see. Honeycomb, and I got bullseye one there. And there's just so many options that you can do with this. And I really like that, as he is printing something bare bones. And I like when people sell their designs, especially something like this. It's pretty cool. And then you just print whatever accessory is that you want to have with it. You're not paying for more than what you want. And the fan goes under there. And so this is a fully assembled Epic Pi case. Epic Raspberry Pi case. I don't know exactly how he calls it. Epic Pi case, I guess. So a couple things about it. Obviously it fits a Raspberry Pi 3, and you're going to want a back plate so that you can, eliminate your I/O in the back there. Then you're going to have your sides. You have your HDMI, your USB, and your power. And you have your other side is side ventilation. And your front as well is just ventilation. Your fan will install in the underside of this. I was a little confused when I first got it. But your fan installs on the underside. You want it to have pull air through. Give yourself some negative pressure in there. That way it's not putting dust onto the system. It's kind of pulling it over it. And we get less dust inside of this. And then I printed out this little case, or this little mount here for it, which on the back can mount to it. This is 20 millimeters. This just clips right on 20 millimeter aluminum extrusion. So if you have the FD5, if you have the CR10, you could potentially just mount this right on the side of that. You can mount this to the wall. It has the little circles with the little nipple at the top. I don't know what to call that. And you can just mount it to here, and you just lock it right on the wall if you wanted to as well. You don't have to use this on your 3D printer. I mean, you can use this for anything really that you want to, if you just need a Raspberry Pi case. I mean, heck, I might actually get another one from him just to mount next to my TV to look kind of cool for my Raspberry Pi. What would I have? The Rasplex that I run. I run a Plex server, and my TVs have Raspberry. Well, they have Plex as an app, but I don't have it on the TV down here in the basement, so I run Rasplex for that. Works out great. I really, really like these. I think they are, again, a very cool design. People have mixed feelings about people selling their designs. I think it's a great opportunity to him. He has this one, and he just released another one, a little standing model, which I think is also super cool looking. Same thing with that. You print some accessories for it, and it You know, they look really nice. They come in a bunch of different colors that you can order the actual, again, the shell from him in that. And then you can print whatever color accessories you want. So I printed all of these parts in one. I think it took me 2 hours to print them all. Really easy to do. They're all nice and thin. I did do support on most of them. It's probably one thing I would criticize is I do wish some of these were supportless. You probably could, but you're not going to get as clean as a print as you will with the support. Either way, it's not that bad. So why did I decide to do this Patreon only? They give so much to me. I mean, people have donated, you know, over $100 over my YouTube career of over the past year, and they get very little back from me, and I feel really guilty about that. I try to do the best I can for everyone, especially those who deem me worthy of their hard-earned money. I do this as a part-time thing. Not even part-time, I do it in my spare time here at night. I mean, it's midnight now that I'm recording this, and you know, I still have a full-time job that even has overtime with that half the time. So doing this is, I just try to do as much as I can, and I really want to give back to them. I'm going to do more patron-only giveaways simply because those are the ones that deem me worthy of their money, and I feel like I really need to give back to them somehow, and I'm going to try my best here in the future. 2018 is big, so we'll see how all that goes, and that's my whole reasoning for doing this as patron only. As I said, only 7 patrons signed up of the, what I have, 15 or 20 of them. Not very many, but hey, I still like everyone. So they are going to go to Ron Floyd, John D. Capua, John Mart, Shay, Scott Guile, John Tilocoa, I don't know, Bill Connolly. Those are the 7 guys are going to get these. I'm going to put these in the mail tomorrow, hopefully, if they all reply back to me with their addresses, and they'll get them real soon. So I hope to see big things from them. Again, I thank Jeff Peterson for sending me all of these free of charge and helping out with the giveaway. Again, I'm sorry this one's a little delayed, but just due to the holiday season, I had some vacation in there and things like that, it just didn't come to fruition sooner than what I would hope. But it's okay, we're here now. So what I want you guys to do is go down the video description, check out Jeff's Etsy shop where he sells these and several other different variations. I think he has 2 now. I think he's coming up with more later. But I think he's a great designer, and I really want to support him with this. So thank you again, Jeff, and you guys need to go check him out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe. Donate to me via Patreon. My current patrons, you guys are awesome. And I hope to do more for my patrons, more giveaways for them since they give me so much. I just want to show my thanks as much as possible. Use the affiliate links down below to help out. And I thank you guys so much for watching. So until next time, happy printing.